Deposited a check for $26,000. I think you can see it. And I'm leaving the bank right now. I want to tell you exactly how I did it so you can go out and do it without using any of your own money, no credit, etc. Watch this video. Let's talk. So you see this little house right here? Yes, this one right here. This is how I made $26,000. I'm going to give you the step-by-step play, the softwares that I use, no bull crap, but you have to promise me after watching this video, you're going to do something. Let's go. So in real estate, there's a strategy called wholesaling real estate, where you can find a house like this, right? Or look for signs of distress. Maybe it's boarded up. Maybe it's got high grass. Maybe it just looks like it's not taken care of. Drive around in your area, writing down addresses, and use this software right here. Yep, this software right here to get the owner's information. Plug in the address, okay? Plug in as many addresses as you can. Call the owner and say, hey, have you thought about selling the house? After that, set up an appointment to go out and see the house. Pull the comps by using platforms like this. Comps are comparable sales. Houses in the area that are selling for a price that justifies your asking price. After that, you're going to get the contract with the seller at a price that makes sense, right? And then you're going to list it here to find buyers. You're going to do a